Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to show you how to make this pretty shawl. I have used the V-stitch to achieve it and it's very easy to make. I'll show you the step-by-step how to make it. Also refer to the written pattern in the description box, whether in my blog or if you'd like to download it in my Etsy shop. Before we go through the tutorial, this shawl needs to use 3 skeins of yarn of medium worsted yarn. I'll put a similar yarn I have used in the description box as well. So without further ado, we'll get started. So like I said, I'm using an acrylic yarn or worsted medium faux yarn, and I'm using 6mm crochet hook. So we're working this shawl from bottom to top. I'll start by chaining 4. So make a magic loop. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in the first stitch from the hook and 2 more double crochet. So 1 double crochet, then another one, then chain 1 and double crochet. So I've got 2 V-stitches already. The first one is from the chain 4 and the second one is this one, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So now the whole work will depend on one side. So I'm gonna increase always in one side and one side will be always straight. So for that, so chain 2, and I've got the space of my previous V-stitch. I'm gonna make 1 V-stitch, which is 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and I'm gonna add another V-stitch in the same space. So double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. So basically in every beginning of the row of the increase will be the same, double V-stitch in the previous V-stitch. Now the next one, which is this one, don't get confused between the double crochet. So 1 V-stitch, which is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 2. Now this is a normal row, which is the straight one. I'm gonna make 1 V-stitch in the previous V-stitch only 1, not 2. So 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the previous V-stitch. In the next V-stitch, the same thing. And I've got 1 more V-stitch. I'm gonna make an increase again. So 1 V double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, again in the V-stitch, same V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So you see, we increased again at we increased again at the end of the row. So again in one side we do the increase either at the end of it or in the beginning of it. So one side increase, one side straight. So chain 2 and turn, increase again in this V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, first V-stitch in the same previous V-stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. And now till the end of the row I'm gonna make 1 V-stitch in every previous V-stitch only. So 1, one V-stitch, and then in the chain 2 I'm gonna make a single double crochet, chain 2 and turn. You see already it's taking the shape. The entire work will be like this, increase from this side and straight from this side, and always working on the V-stitches. We'll make one more row, so one normal V-stitch in the previous V-stitch, the next one same thing, the next one, and the next one, and this is the last one. I'm gonna make double V-stitch. And turn, and again I'm gonna make a double V-stitch here. So as you can see, this is how it looks, and you'll continue through the work. So you can make 3 yarn balls or more, depends how big you want it. Check again the description box for the written pattern. You'll get all the information you need for this tutorial. And these sides, how it looks, it's very pretty and it's very neat. So I hope you like it and you find it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.